The story of Joseph. There was a boy named Joseph whose love and was the favorite of his father. Then one day, his father gifted him a coat of many colors that made his brothers jealous of him more. Because of his jealousy, his brother pushed him to the well. And Joseph was sold to be a slave. Then Joseph was brought to Egypt to be sold as a slave for the Pharaoh. He was then brought to the kingdom of the Pharaoh to be a slave. After many years have passed, Joseph became a quite young, handsome man. He was taken by the Pharaoh's wife and always pursued Joseph to be his mate, but Joseph always refused because he values trust and loyalty to God and the Pharaoh. Then one day, the Pharaoh's wife had enough and then reported Joseph to the guards. And the wife reported Joseph to the guards and said that Joseph was harassing her. Joseph was then caught by the guards that led him for him to be imprisoned. Joseph was then brought to prison. But Joseph never asked and stopped praying, and he was always asking God for guidance. Then one night, the Pharaoh had a dream. No one could interpret his dream. He asked and he asked, but no one could interpret his dream, not even his scholars. Then he heard that Joseph can, and he called Joseph for help and he told him his dream. Joseph was then released and he translated the Pharaoh's dream for him. The Pharaoh believed Joseph's interpretation of his dream. Then Joseph was declared by the Pharaoh as one of the high-ranking officers of his kingdom. Then Joseph became one of the leaders of Egypt and he led Egypt throughout the challenges it faces. Then one day, a group of people came to Egypt to barter food and water. And Joseph realized that it was his brother, so he tested them if they changed, and he now knew that they had changed and revealed that he was their brother, and they lived together again in Egypt. The end.